Hi everyone, welcome back to my tiny house in the forest. I'm down here by the annex where I just finished an amazing new project that I can't wait to show you. And that is my new off-grid rainwater shower system that is fully on demand and automated, collecting rainwater from the roof, cleaning it, storing it in some tanks and pushing it through a pump and also a gas heater running on electricity from a solar panel. So it sounds a bit complicated, but in this video I will show you how I put all the components together and made it work. So now I'm done wiring the electric cables for my off-grid rainwater shower, and I just briefly wanted to explain how everything is connected and set up. So at the heart of the system I have my water pump, which is something called a pressure pump that runs on 12 volt. And it gets its power from these two 12 volt batteries that are connected in parallel, which means from plus to plus and minus to minus. and they are charged from a solar panel on the outside of the house via this solar controller, which is the gray box you see here. And from the solar controller I have this switch panel where the water pump is connected. So when I turn this one on, the water pump is ready to go. But it's not starting yet because I have a switch on the outside of the house. So when I enter the shower, I can just hit that switch, and then the water pump will start pumping up water into the gas heater and then to the shower head, and then I can have my nice warm rainwater shower. So that's basically how this system works. So right now the shower just needs a shower curtain and also a water filter to filtrate the water that I collect on this roof for the shower. And then the system should be ready to go. Alright, so now I'm almost done making all of the different hose connections for my new off-grid rainwater shower. And as you can see, the system starts up by the gutter that collects the rainwater for my rainwater shower. And I put a metal net around the gutter just as to filtrate the debris coming down from the trees. It's only an experiment, but I think it will work for now, even though it's not the prettiest solution. And then the water runs down from the gutter to the sand filter that I made in the black bucket. And from the black bucket, the water runs into the first barrel. And it can contain about 220 liters of water. When that barrel is full, then the water will just flow on into the next barrel. So in total, I will have like 440 liters of water for my rainwater shower. So right now I just need to connect the last barrel to my water pump, and then I have this closed system, and I just need to put a hose on that barrel, and then it will just automatically get sucked into the water pump whenever I hit the switch on the outside of the house by the shower. And if the first barrel is emptied, then I can just reconnect the hose to the other barrel and then have access to another 220 liters. So hopefully that should be more than enough for me and my guests to have some comfortable and long showers. But right now I'm just waiting for the rain to come, because that's kind of important for this system to work, obviously.